Okay. Alright, everybody. I'm changing a Ford Ranger, the starter, on a 3.0. This is a 98 Ford Ranger. And I just want to show everybody. This is the transmission here. Runs a little dirty. You got a bolt that came out here, a bolt came out here, and up above it, I'm not sure if you can see over there, there's a third, okay, there's the two, the third bolt up top. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to. And on the front, you got the solenoid. You see the wire hanging, and another wire hanging. Also, I want to tell everybody, make sure you undo your starter, your battery first. Very important. This is it's Itoshaki. This is the factory starter on here, and I'll be going with a rebuilt starter. You can rebuild them. I've heard from $10 to $50. You know, I just went ahead and bought a rebuilt one, and I'm jacking my starter up here to kind of let some of the tension off to get that third bolt out. There it is. You can see it there. Right there, right over the manifold. Let's see. There it is. Anyway, and it's that one right there. So it's a pain in the butt to get to. And that's where I'm at on it. And then the next troublesome thing is dropping it, getting it out of this space here. It's kind of a tight squeeze. So we'll see how all this goes. And I'll be right back with another video.